Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to bring you the second video in my series about the human body. In this episode, we're going to dive into the mysterious and unexplained aspects of the human body and explore its connection to paranormal phenomena. As we delve into this fascinating topic, I encourage you to keep an open mind and join me on this journey of discovery. Have you ever experienced something so strange you couldn't explain it? And not just a one-time occurrence, but something that happens often enough that you've come to accept it as normal, even though no one else around you seems to be experiencing the same thing. I'm sure we all have. And I've recently discovered that these kinds of occurrences are not only common, they're actually part of who we are as humans. They're a result of our living energy systems and our consciousness interacting with the spiritual world around us. We'll explore these topics in this post. What exactly makes up our living energy systems? How our bodies interact with outside forces, both supernatural and spiritual, and how all of this relates to paranormal phenomena, such as ghost sightings or hearing disembodied voices when no one else can. Hear them except for us, and sometimes not even us, because it's so faint. The human body as a living energy system. The human body is a living energy system. It's not just an assemblage of organs, tissues, and cells. It's also a complex system of interactions between these elements. The body uses energy to maintain its equilibrium in response to external stimuli, e.g., temperature changes. The body continuously exchanges matter with its environment through breathing, eating, and drinking water or other liquids containing nutrients needed for growth and repair. The consciousness of the human body. The concept of consciousness is a complex one. It's not something that can be easily explained, but it's also something we all experience on a daily basis. It's your awareness of your own existence and the ability to feel, perceive, and think, whether you're conscious of it or not. It's what makes us human beings as opposed to other animals who may have similar physical features, such as eyes or hands. Consciousness is an emergent property of the brain, meaning that when we look at our brains under an MRI scanner, there isn't anything specifically telling us where consciousness resides within them. But somehow this organ manages to produce something intangible yet incredibly real, our sense, self-awareness. The mind-body connection. The mind-body connection is a fascinating concept that has intrigued thinkers and philosophers for centuries. Ancient Greek philosophers, such as Aristotle and Plato, believed that the mind and body were interconnected and that each influenced the other. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is believed that the mind and body are connected through a network of channels or pathways known as meridians, which carry energy throughout the body. Despite these early ideas about the mind-body connection, it wasn't until the last century that scientific interest in this relationship began to grow. Researchers and scientists began studying how the mind and body communicate with each other and how they affect one another. Today, we have a better understanding of how our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can have a significant impact on our physical health. For example, stress and anxiety can cause physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, and digestive problems. On the other hand, physical pain and illness can lead to emotional and mental distress, such as depression and anxiety. Studies have also shown that practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and yoga can have positive effects on both our mental and physical well-being. These practices have been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and enhance our immune system function. In conclusion, the mind-body connection is a complex and fascinating topic that continues to be explored by scientists and researchers. As we learn more about how the mind and body are connected, we can use this knowledge to improve our overall health and well-being. Supernatural or spiritual connections. The human body is a living energy system, and it has a consciousness. It also has a mind. body connection that allows us to access our emotions, thoughts, and memories in ways that are not always apparent to us. The human body can be used as an instrument of spirit communication through which we can connect with the spiritual world. The ancient Chinese believed that all things have kuai, or ki, including rocks, trees, and even houses. They believed that this energy flows through everything in nature, like blood flowing through veins or air flowing through lungs. So it makes sense then, if we look at ourselves from this perspective, then our bodies would also contain some kind of life force within them too. This idea is not far off from what modern science tells us today, either because, according to quantum physics, particles don't exist until observed by another particle, meaning there's no such thing as solid matter until someone sees it. Your body is a living energy system with a consciousness and a mind-body connection. Your body is a living energy system with a consciousness and a mind-body connection. This means that your brain can influence your health, emotions, and well-being. The human body is not just an organic machine made up of cells, tissues, and organs, but also has an electromagnetic field which surrounds it. The human aura consists of 7 layers: etheric, blue, mental, yellow, emotional, red, astral, purple, physical, etheric, green, spiritual, violet, karma. The colors represent different frequencies or vibrations within our bodies. Some are visible while others cannot be seen by the naked eye, but can still be felt through touch or other types of sensing, such as clairvoyance or clairaudience. The human body is a complex organism with many mysteries that we have yet to understand. It's fascinating to think about all the things that go on inside us every day, and it's even more amazing when you consider how little we know about them. We hope that this article has helped shed some light on some of these mysteries by giving you some background information on how our bodies work as living energy systems with consciousnesses and mind-body connections. And that's a wrap on another video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the mysterious aspects of the human body and its relationship with paranormal phenomena. While the subject can be controversial and even taboo, I believe it's important to explore different perspectives and expand our understanding of the world around us. If you have any thoughts, questions, or ideas for future videos, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.